If you've been seeing a lot of ads lately for something called the Qinux PolarBreeze, this little portable cooling device that promises to turn your hot room into a personal Arctic zone, then this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down whether this product actually delivers on its promises or whether it's just another overhyped gadget you should scroll past. So let's start with what Qinux PolarBreeze actually claims to be. It's marketed as a compact, bladeless, portable air conditioner designed for homes and offices. The ads say it's energy efficient, rechargeable, super easy to move around, and can sit on your desk, mount on a wall, or chill on your bedside table. The big selling point is that it supposedly cools your personal space without the sky-high electricity bills that come with a traditional AC. Sounds pretty great on the surface, right? But let's dig a little deeper. One of the first things that should make you pause is the temperature claims in the marketing. Some of the ads for this product, and similar ones, say a room can drop from 93 degrees Fahrenheit all the way down to 63 degrees in just a matter of minutes. Let that sink in. A 30-degree drop in under 2 minutes from a tiny little device sitting on your desk. Here's the reality check. If that were actually possible, every HVAC company in the world would be out of business tomorrow. Cooling a room that dramatically, that fast, requires removing an enormous amount of heat energy, the kind of power that would match or even exceed a full-sized household air conditioner. A compact, portable gadget simply cannot do that. Physically, it's just not possible. Then there's another major issue, the complete lack of technical specifications. Legitimate cooling products always publish their BTU ratings, compressor details, power consumption, and cooling capacity. That's how you actually compare and evaluate them. But with the PolarBreeze, none of that information is provided. No BTU rating, no compressor specs, nothing. And that's a pretty telling sign. When a company skips the technical details, they're essentially asking you to trust the marketing instead of the actual performance data. That's a red flag you should never ignore. Now here's something really interesting. This exact same product is being sold under a whole bunch of different names. You might see it called BreezeMax, Skyrim Cooling, or any number of similar sounding names. And when you look at what real users are saying across all these versions, the feedback is remarkably consistent. People are reporting that the device can't actually cool a room because, and this is the key part, it has no system to expel heat outside. That's literally how air conditioning works. Without a way to push the hot air out, you're not cooling a room, you're just moving air around. A lot of reviewers are calling it out as basically a fan or at best an evaporative cooler that's been dressed up in air conditioner clothing. People also mention it being way louder than advertised, missing features like battery operation and oscillation that were implied in the product presentation, and a return process that's a nightmare, often requiring you to ship the item back to China at your own expense. Here's what's really going on behind the scenes, and this is the part that explains everything. This product is drop shipped. What that means is that these websites are sourcing the product directly from Chinese wholesale platforms like Alibaba, where you can find the exact same device for somewhere between $10 and $15 when bought in bulk. Then they flood social media with aggressive ads full of miracle claims, slap a hefty markup on it, and sell it to you for 5 to 10 times that price. The product itself might not be fake, but the story being sold around it absolutely is. So where does that leave us? Is the Qinux PolarBreeze a scam? Not exactly in the traditional sense. You'll probably receive it, but what you're likely getting is a basic small fan with some evaporative cooling at best, and you're paying a premium price for it based on completely unrealistic marketing claims. The product itself isn't the problem. The marketing is, and that distinction matters when you're deciding whether to spend your money on it. If you're genuinely looking for personal cooling solutions, look into products that publish real specs, have verifiable reviews on trusted retail platforms, and don't make physics-defying promises. Save your money for something that actually does what it says.